Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix hotspot on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you want to try to use your hotspot on your iPhone, but it is not showing or not working on your iPhone iOS 18, so how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection, and after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that what you have to do next is you have to simply go to general, and you have to simply click on software update, and here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. And after that what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you have inserted a physical SIM or eSIM on your device, because after that you will be able to use your hotspot on your iPhone. So before this you have to simply make sure about that. After that you can simply search in the control center whether that hotspot setting is available or not. So here you can simply find the settings here. So here you can simply see that personal hotspot setting has been grayed out. So if you want to use that setting, you have to simply insert a physical SIM or personal or eSIM on your iPhone. So here you can simply search for hotspot setting. So here you can simply click on auto join hotspot. You can simply see find the option here, but it is for the Wi-Fi setting. So you have to simply click on settings again, and you can simply access that setting from the control center. So you have here, after inserting the physical or eSIM, you have to simply press and hold that, and after that these settings will be turned on. But if you do not have inserted the physical or eSIM, you will not be able to use hotspot on your iPhone. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.